In a world where excellence is measured in millimeters and mastery takes decades to achieve, there exist cigars that defy convention, creations that push boundaries, challenge traditions, and redefine what's possible in the art of tobacco. Today, we journey beyond the ordinary to discover the 5 most unique cigars in the world. Prepare to witness innovation, tradition, and audacity, all rolled into experiences unlike any other. What makes a cigar truly unique? Is it an innovative shape that challenges master rollers, a rare tobacco that appears on just one leaf in 1,000, or perhaps a centuries-old tradition that stands apart from all others? True uniqueness comes from daring to be different, from the courage to challenge what a cigar can be. The 5 cigars we're about to explore represent the pinnacle of distinction in the cigar world. Each tells a story of innovation, tradition, and the relentless pursuit of the extraordinary. At number 5, we find the La Flor Dominicana Double Ligero Chisel, a cigar that literally changed the shape of the industry. Created by master blender Lito Gomez, the chisel features a proprietary flattened head, unlike anything else in the cigar world. The chisel's distinctive flat head isn't just visual flair, it fundamentally transforms the smoking experience. The wide, flat opening creates a broader distribution of smoke across the palate, intensifying flavor perception. And with its double Ligero blend, those flavors are already formidable. What makes the chisel truly revolutionary is how it marries form and function. The shape isn't merely aesthetic, it's a deliberate enhancement of the smoking experience. Available in both sun-grown Ecuador and earthier Maduro wrappers, each chisel requires advanced rolling skills to create its distinctive 6-inch by 54 ring gauge profile. The chisel represents the spirit of innovation, proof that even in a centuries-old tradition, there's always room for someone bold enough to reshape the experience. Our 4th most unique cigar is a visual masterpiece that delivers an experience as distinctive as its appearance. The Arturo Fuente Hemingway Between the Lines features an ingenious barber pole design that alternates Connecticut shade and Connecticut broadleaf Maduro wrappers in perfect harmony. This 4.5-inch by 54 ring gauge Perfecto isn't just visually striking, it's a technical marvel. Creating the alternating wrapper pattern requires extraordinary precision and skill. Each strip must be perfectly aligned and secured, creating a seamless transition between light and dark. But the true magic happens when you light it. As the burn line progresses, the flavor profile shifts between the creamy, nutty notes of the Connecticut shade and the rich, chocolatey character of the broadleaf Maduro. It's like experiencing 2 premium cigars in perfect alternation. Between the Lines represents the pinnacle of wrapper artistry, a cigar that delivers not just visual distinction, but a constantly evolving flavor journey that challenges our expectations of what a single cigar can deliver. Size matters, especially when you're discussing our 3rd most unique cigar. The Argyle A-Bomb shatters all conventions with its staggering dimensions, 9 inches long with a 95 ring gauge. This isn't just a large cigar, it's a monument to excess. Each A-Bomb comes in its own coffin box, a fitting container for what might be the most conversation-starting cigar ever created. At nearly 4 times the volume of a standard Robusto, the A-Bomb isn't just a cigar, it's a commitment. With a smoking time approaching 5 hours, the A-Bomb demands dedication. Its tan Corojo wrapper encases a complex blend of Dominican and Nicaraguan tobaccos, delivering a surprisingly nuanced profile of almonds, wood, and leather that evolves throughout its marathon smoking session. At just $19.95, the A-Bomb offers perhaps the best value-to-size ratio in the premium cigar world. But its true value lies in its audacity, in daring to ask, how far can we push the boundaries of what a cigar can be? Our 2nd most unique cigar comes from Cuba's most prestigious brand and represents the pinnacle of Cuban cigar innovation. The Cohiba Bahaik BHK line, launched in 2010, instantly captivated connoisseurs worldwide and was crowned Cigar of the Year. The Bahaik's uniqueness begins with its presentation. Its band features pioneering security technology with holographic elements, the first 3D images ever to appear on Cuban cigar bands. This innovation wasn't merely aesthetic but necessary, as Bahaik quickly became one of the most counterfeited cigars in the world. But what truly sets Bahaik apart is hidden within medio tiempo tobacco. These rare leaves appear only occasionally at the very top of tobacco plants. So scarce is medio tiempo that entire fields might yield just enough for a single box of cigars. Available in 3 sizes, the BHK 52, 54, and 56, each Bahaik comes in luxurious lacquered boxes of 10. But their rarity extends beyond presentation. The limited supply of medio tiempo means Bahaiks are perpetually scarce, creating a mystique unmatched in the cigar world. The Bahaik represents the marriage of innovation and tradition, Cuba's oldest prestige brand embracing cutting-edge security technology while centering its blend around one of nature's rarest tobacco treasures. Our most unique cigar in the world comes not from the Caribbean, but from Italy, a creation so distinctive it exists in its own category. The Toscano cigar represents a completely different tradition, philosophy, and approach to cigar making. Immediately recognizable by its rustic appearance and distinctive double-cone shape, the Toscano bears little resemblance to Caribbean cigars. Its firm construction and tapered ends create a smoking experience unlike any other premium cigar. What truly sets Toscano apart is its tobacco. 100% Kentucky seed tobacco grown in Italy, making it a true monocultivar cigar. This tobacco undergoes a unique fermentation process that originally happened by accident when a batch of tobacco was caught in a rainstorm and began fermenting naturally. Even the way Toscanos are enjoyed differs from tradition. Often cut in half and smoked as 2 separate cigars, they deliver a rustic, earthy profile with notes of wood, leather, and spice that's immediately recognizable and impossible to confuse with Caribbean cigars. For centuries, Toscanos have been woven into Italian culture, appearing in classic films, literature, and daily life. They represent not just a different cigar, but an entirely different philosophy of what a cigar can be. In a world dominated by Caribbean traditions, Toscano stands alone, proudly, distinctively Italian. The world of unique cigars extends far beyond our top 5. Honorable mentions must include the Liga Privada Flying Pig, with its unusual proportions and distinctive pigtail cap, a shape so challenging that only Drew Estate's most skilled rollers can create it. The Gurkha Black Dragon deserves recognition for its ultra-premium positioning and elaborate packaging. Released in 2006 as a limited edition, it represents the luxury extreme of cigar presentation. We must acknowledge the Fuente Opus X, revolutionary for being the first premium cigar to feature Dominican wrapper, binder, and filler when experts claimed it couldn't be done. The Padron 80 Years Commemorative Perfecto honors the founder's 80th birthday with tobacco, aged by the company's most senior rollers from their oldest stocks. And the Davidoff Royal Release represents the ultimate in luxury, with 8 years of aging in perfect conditions, commanding prices exceeding $1,500 per cigar in its Salamones Vitola. These 5 most unique cigars represent the pinnacle of innovation, tradition, and distinctiveness in the cigar world. Each tells a story of masters who dared to challenge conventions and create something truly extraordinary.